Hello again, John Stairs from SPL Washrooms. Today I'd like to talk about a very simple maintenance item that's often overlooked with the Airforce hand dryer, and that's the motor inlet filter change. First of all, we'll need to remove the cover using the Allen key supplied with the machine, remembering that the cover screws are screwed clockwise to move the screws away from the cover. Remove the cover and the motor inlet filter is easily accessible. Just remove and discard. We recommend changing this filter approximately every 6 months or sooner in very high use areas, and they are available from us in packs of 5. Hopefully you have found this information useful, and we'll talk to you again soon.